Hi, this is Katina Franklin Sweetie, and in this scale tutorial I am going to show you how to play a 1-octave E major scale. We're going to start all the way down here on low E. This is also an E, but you're not going to want to do this one unless you have a G sharp over here, which I don't. So we're going to start on this E, the very bottom right hand key. We have E and then F sharp right there and G sharp here. So you have a lot of movement in your pinkies in the scale. E, F sharp, G sharp. Then A, B natural, C sharp right here, D sharp on the side. I am going to call to your attention, you do have a D sharp here, but when you're moving from C sharp, this is a lot more complicated than it needs to be, so go ahead and just do C sharp, D sharp on the side, and then E. Going down, you have D sharp, C sharp, B right there, A, G sharp, F sharp, and E. Happy practicing, and if you have any comments or questions, please write them below. Thank you.